My name is Feng Lin. I'm an associate professor of chemistry at Virginia Tech. I'm also affiliated with material science and engineering department here. I'm a co-founder of Fermi Energy.
I'm Zhengrui Xu. I'm a postdoc at Virginia Tech, and also I'm a CTO and a co-founder of Fermi Energy. Fermi Energy is a startup company developing disruptive cathode technologies for the electric vehicles.
Our goal is to supply the American EV industries with cathodes that are free from nickel and cobalt to establish the US manufacturing supply chain of lithium-ion batteries. There's a big supply chain concerns regarding nickel and cobalt simply because the United States does not have those two elements very abundantly in the US, and also they are only isolated in certain locations in the world. So to get those access to nickel and cobalt could potentially become a challenge topic in the future. So our technology will be able to develop advanced materials that do not use those two elements, but still provide the performance that we need in electric vehicles. Number one, we want to reduce the cost of electric vehicles substantially that can make them accessible to American people. Number two, we want to develop the materials in the way that can enable lithium-ion batteries to do ultra-fast charging and significantly reduce the charging time of electric vehicles. Number three, we want to make the electric vehicle batteries function at the same level, close to the level of the room temperature performance when they are operated at very low temperatures, such as -20 degrees Celsius or even lower.
So we are researchers at university, and the RAMP program will provide a very precious entrepreneurial training, which are essential for running a business.
And RAMP also provides a network that's not available to us right now, and we hope that we will be able to utilize the network that RAMP has built over the years to help our company grow and succeed.